Karibu tena and welcome to lesson 2.2, website considerations. In this lesson, we will learn what actually makes a website good. We will cover the 8 essential parts every website should have, the 6 most important design terms, UI, UX, responsive design, accessibility, performance, browser compatibility, and how to write website content that a real customer will actually read. Let us begin. Sarah has decided to build a 5-page WordPress website. But 5 pages of what? A restaurant is not a bank, and a bank is not a school. Before you draw a single page, you must decide what parts every good website needs. Miss a part, and your customer bounces to a competitor. Include the right parts, and Sarah's website starts to work for her 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when the kitchen is closed. Every website should have 8 core parts. 1. A home page, the front door and navigation hub. 2. Company information, the about page. 3. Contact information, a phone, an email, an address, a form. 4. News or a blog, regular updates. 5. Services or product descriptions, what you actually sell. 6. A search box, so people can find things fast. 7. E-commerce, a checkout if you are selling. 8. A sitemap, a map of every page for both search engines and lost visitors. Sarah does not need all 8. She needs the first 5. 2 words you will hear every day in this job. UI stands for user interface. The visual elements a user touches. Buttons, menus, forms, colors. UX stands for user experience, the overall satisfaction of using the site. UI is what it looks like. UX is how it feels. A beautiful UI with terrible UX is a website that looks like a magazine but frustrates the customer. Good UX often means less UI. Fewer buttons, fewer choices, clearer language. 4 more design terms, all non-negotiable in 2026. Responsive design means the site rearranges itself to fit any screen, phone, tablet, laptop. In Kenya, where over 80% of internet traffic is mobile, this is critical. Accessibility means people with disabilities using screen readers or navigating by keyboard can use the site. Performance means it loads fast, under 3 seconds, or you lose half of your visitors. Browser compatibility means it works in Chrome, Safari, Edge, and Firefox, not just the browser you tested it in. Design is half the battle. Content is the other half. 6 practices for website content that actually works. 1. Audience focused. Write for your customer, not for yourself. 2. Clear and concise. No jargon, no long sentences. 3. Use relevant keywords naturally. Do not stuff them. 4. Consistent branding. Same voice, same style. 5. High quality images. Professional, relevant, sharp. 6. Regularly updated. An about us from 2020 is a red flag. Building the site is only step 3. Step 4, promotion, is where most small businesses give up. 7 ways to bring visitors to your website. Share every new page on social media. Run online adverts, PPC or display. Build inbound links from other websites. Email marketing to your subscribers. Submit to search engines and directories. Add the URL to your email signature. Print it on business cards and flyers with a QR code. Sarah's WordPress will have exactly 5 pages, 1 for each core needed. Home, the front door with a big lunch menu photo and a delivery number. About, Sarah's story and why Karibu Kitchen exists. Menu, the daily specials, updated every morning by Sarah on her phone. Delivery, the 3 neighborhoods, the hours, the minimum order. Contact, the WhatsApp number, the physical address in the CBD, and a form. 5 pages, all the essentials, none of the fluff. She can build all this in a single weekend. That is lesson 2.2, the 8 essential parts, the 6 design terms, and the 6 content practices. In the final lesson of this module, 2.3, we look at search engine optimization. How does Sarah go from invisible on Google to appearing on the first page of lunch delivery Eldoret? That is where the real digital marketing skills begin. See you there. Karibu tena.